Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Kraken in Infinite Craft. To start, you'll need your basic elements. First, drag water onto water to form lake. This is a simple but essential step. Next, combine water with fire to generate steam. These initial creations are the building blocks for our mythical creature. Now that you have lake, drag earth onto it to craft swamp. This adds a new environment to your collection, crucial for later steps. For our next step, take fire and combine it with steam to produce engine. Remember, each new item unlocks further possibilities in your crafting journey, so keep experimenting. With swamp in hand, combine it with fire to conjure a dragon. This is a significant step towards our goal. Next, take water and merge it with your newly formed dragon to create a sea serpent. Finally, combine two engines to construct a rocket, preparing for the ultimate fusion. You're almost there. Take your rocket and combine it with the sea serpent you just crafted. This epic fusion will finally unleash the mighty Kraken into your infinite craft world. Congratulations, you've mastered a complex recipe. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.